In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on ShareChat app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are encountering this error, most likely it's because your app encountered a glitch or you need to grant your app permission for you to use it normally. Now to fix this, we need to access our app info page first. To do that, go and look for your app on your smartphone. So I have my ShareIt app here and I'll need to access its app info page. You can do this through settings or by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access the app info page. Here, go to force stop app and tap on OK. Then head to clear data and then choose clear cache. And finally, okay. You also need to ensure that you have granted permission for your app and all these permissions have been allowed. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone and try opening your app. However, if you can't still access your app, then you might want to check your network, ensure you are connected to a steady network. If you are also using any VPN, this might be the reason your app is returning the error. For that, you need to turn off the VPN before you can use your app. And finally, you might want to check if there is any update for your app through Google Play Store or App Store, and then update your ShareIt app to the latest version. So that's how you can fix something went wrong error on ShareChat app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.